Hey, Drago here, and welcome back to Next.JS 14 series. In the last video, we explored how to optimize your app's SEO and performance with static and dynamic metadata. Today, we're moving on to something super practical, handling form data and file uploads in your Next.js app. We'll be using UploadThing as our go-to file storage service, and I will walk you through how to set up form handling, validate your inputs, and upload files efficiently. Also, UploadThing has a very generous free tier where you can get 2 GB of storage. So let's head over to the official website, and if you're not already logged in, feel free to log in. And inside it, first of all, you're gonna make an app, and from the API keys section, you're gonna copy the token, and all you need to do is paste it in your .env.local file. Let's head over to the docs now. As we are using Next.js app router, we're gonna select that and we'll copy the installation command. We'll be installing 2 packages, UploadThing and UploadThing/React. Now going down, we're gonna copy this existing code and we're gonna paste it in /API/UploadThing/code.ts. This file doesn't exist yet, so we're gonna make it. First of all, we're gonna remove all the comments, and now we can start editing this file. Currently, the file has a mock authentication, so we're gonna remove it and we'll be replacing it with our own Superbase authentication. As this will happen in our route handlers, we'll create a route handler client, and inside it, we're gonna give the cookies. We're gonna get the logged in user, and we're gonna throw respective errors for Superbase error and user not found error. Finally, we're gonna return the user ID from the middleware. This user ID will be used to add metadata to our file, for example the uploader ID. Now on the onUploadComplete function, we'll return name, key, URL, and the uploader ID. Last step, we're gonna export the type of our router. Going back to the docs, we're gonna copy the next snippet and we're gonna create a route.ts inside the UploadThing route. We'll paste it and we'll get rid of all the comments. Now we're gonna go to our middleware.ts and we're gonna check if the URL path name starts with /API/UploadThing. If that is the case, we'll not be checking for authentication on the middleware level. This step is a must. UploadThing also provides us some pre-built components and hooks. So we're gonna create a UploadThing.ts inside our components/UI folder, and inside it, we're gonna paste the snippet from the docs. Make sure to fix the routes or file paths as per your current app configs. To make the styles for the pre-built components work, we need to modify our tailwind.config.ts file. We're gonna import with UT from UploadThing/tw. Now for the export, we're gonna just wrap it inside with UT, and we're gonna add this to our content. Now that we're done setting up UploadThing, we can start updating our schema. Now the posts can contain images, so we're gonna add a new column, image URL. Based on this, we'll also update our validation schema. We'll add a new field, image URL. Now for the create post schema, we'll also add image URL. Now we can update the post create page component. First of all, we're gonna assign some default values to our form. So for the content, it will be empty string, and for the image, it will be null. Just under the form field for content, we're gonna use the upload dropzone component. This is a self-closing tag, and inside, we need to specify the endpoint. The endpoint name is the same as what we have in our code.ts file. So I had it as image uploader, so I'm just gonna add it. After that, we have onUpload error that has the error as parameter. If we get any error, we would just return the error as a toast. Last up, in the onClientUploadComplete, we get back the response from UploadThing as a parameter. So we'll get the first file, and we'll just set the URL of the file to image URL of the form. Now we're gonna make a viewer window to visualize what we uploaded. If the form has image URL, we will show the image URL inside the next image tag. We'll talk about using this tag in a separate video. Now we're gonna update the mutation to send form data. So we're gonna initiate a new form data object, and we're gonna append the content, and if we have image URL, we're also gonna append that. And now we're gonna send the form data as the body. Now in our route handler, instead of converting it into JSON, we'll use the form data method. We will get the content and the image URL postfixed with raw, because we'll parse them using our validator. Once done, we'll just add the image URL to the insert. Now, as we're showing an image for each post, we'll also add a check to render the post images for each post. And that's it. But before we test it out, we need to add something in our next.config.ts file. Here, we will expand the object, and inside it, we're gonna add images. This also takes an object. Inside it, we're gonna write remote patterns. What this is and how it works is a topic for a separate video. It takes an array of objects. We'll add utfs.io as hostname. Now let's test it out. Going to our create post page, now we have a drop zone. We can either drop an image or just upload by clicking the button. So let's select a file. And now we have to click on upload one file. This will directly upload the file to UploadThing. Once uploaded, as you can see, we have the image in our display. Now if we give some content and post it, we will have our post with the image. And that's the wrap for today. We have seen how to handle form data and file uploads seamlessly using UploadThing. In the next episode, we'll dive into optimization, specifically focusing on images, fonts, and links. Stay tuned, and as always, if you find this video helpful, give it a like, share with your fellow devs, and don't forget to subscribe. But before we finish up, I want to let you in on something exciting. If you're enjoying the content and want to support me, you can join my Patreon at patreon.com/itsdrvgo. As a subscriber, you'll get early access to all my videos a day or two before they go public on YouTube. Plus, you'll be able to see exclusive behind the scenes, get sneak peeks of upcoming projects, and much more. It's a great way to stay ahead of the curve and get involved in shaping future content. Also, if you have any questions or need help with anything we covered, don't hesitate to join our Discord server. I'm active there, and it's the best place to connect with me and the community. You'll find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.